Let's talk about the pickle, a crunchy, tangy hero hiding in your fridge ready to elevate any meal. But have you ever wondered how a humble cucumber becomes that zesty delight? It's a journey that starts in muddy fields and ends in a mega factory. This isn't just about cucumbers in jars, it's a massive industry powered by farmers, workers, and machines. The process has been perfected over thousands of years. Even Cleopatra was a fan. We'll follow the cucumber from seed to harvest, through the heart of a high-speed factory. It's a world where tradition meets technology, all for one of the world's favorite snacks. We're talking about billions of pickles every year, not just a few jars from Grandma's kitchen. These mega factories handle mountains of cucumbers daily, with mind-boggling logistics. Getting all those cucumbers from countless farms to one central location, all while they're perfectly fresh, is a challenge in itself. So the next time you crunch into a pickle, remember the incredible journey it took to get to you. Now let's get to the source. We'll see the fields where pickles are born, the speed of modern factories, and the secret brines that give each pickle its kick. It's a world that smells of vinegar, dill, and honest effort. Forget what you think you know. This is the real story of the pickle. Buckle up. The adventure begins now. It all begins in the soil, with a farmer planting special cucumber seeds bred for pickling. These seeds are chosen for their size, firm texture, and bumpy skin, perfect for soaking up brine. Farmers use GPS-guided tractors to plant in precise rows, giving cucumbers a high-tech start. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots, saving water and ensuring healthy growth. Farmers monitor for pests and diseases, walking the fields to protect their crop. The plants grow fast, spreading vines and yellow flowers that need bees for pollination. Many farmers keep beehives nearby, creating a partnership between agriculture and nature. From planting to harvest takes about 40 to 60 days, depending on weather and variety. Farmers constantly check soil, nutrients, and weather, balancing size and quality. Cucumbers for whole gherkins are picked small and tender. Others grow larger for slices or spears. It's a delicate balancing act requiring experience and patience. Every decision in the field shapes the future pickle. The countdown to harvest is always on. When cucumbers reach the perfect size, harvest begins, fast and furious. Specialty pickles are hand-picked, with workers carefully selecting each cucumber. For mega factories, machines take over. Massive harvesters gently lift vines and knock cucumbers loose onto conveyor belts. Whether by hand or machine, speed is crucial. Cucumbers lose crispness quickly. Harvested cucumbers are loaded into bins or trucks, often cooled with water on the spot. This hydro-cooling step locks in freshness and crunch. Trucks stand ready to race the cucumbers to the factory. Logistics are tightly coordinated to keep production lines running non-stop during peak season. A delay of hours can impact quality. Truck drivers are unsung heroes, ensuring cucumbers arrive in pristine condition. The journey from field to factory is a race against time. Every minute counts in preserving that signature crunch. Next stop, the factory gates. The trip from farm to factory is a high-stakes relay. Speed and freshness are everything. Trucks race to the factory, drivers in constant contact with the plant. At the receiving dock, quality control checks begin immediately. Technicians sample each load, checking size, color, and firmness. Loads that don't meet strict standards are rejected. Quality comes first. Approved cucumbers are unloaded into water-filled hoppers, cushioned to prevent bruising. From here, cucumbers travel on conveyor belts and water flumes, rarely touched by human hands again. Flumes gently move massive volumes without damage. High-pressure sprays and brushes clean the cucumbers thoroughly. The factory is a maze of stainless steel, filled with the sound of rushing water and tumbling cucumbers. Cleanliness and efficiency set the stage for transformation. The real magic is about to begin. Inside the factory, the transformation kicks into high gear. Cucumbers are sorted by size on vibrating tables, ensuring uniform jars. High-speed cameras scan for imperfections, instantly removing subpar cucumbers with a puff of air. Some cucumbers are sliced or speared by automated machines, each cut perfectly uniform for even pickling. Freshly cut pieces get another rinse before heading to the jarring station. Sterilized glass jars move along conveyors filled with precise amounts of cucumbers. Vibrating fillers drop in whole, sliced, or speared cucumbers, sometimes with garlic, dill, or spices. Every step is automated for speed and consistency. The jars are now packed and ready for the brine. This is where the real flavor is born. The process is a dance of glass, vegetables, and machines. Each jar is a promise of crunch and taste. Next up, the brine bath. The pickle's final transformation awaits. The brining station is where cucumbers become pickles. Brine, water, vinegar, salt, and secret spices is mixed in giant vats, filling the air with tangy aroma. Hot brine is poured into jars, killing bacteria and helping cucumbers absorb flavor fast. This step also creates a vacuum seal as jars cool, locking in freshness with a satisfying pop. The sealed jars go through pasteurization, traveling through a tunnel of hot water for sterilization. After their hot bath, jars are cooled quickly to preserve crunch. If they cool too slowly, pickles turn mushy. Timing is everything. Dried, labeled, and boxed, the jars are ready for the world. Every detail, from brine temperature to sealing torque, is engineered for perfection. The journey from field to jar is nearly complete. Each jar is a testament to science and tradition. The pickle's signature flavor and crunch are now locked in. Millions of jars roll off the line, destined for shelves everywhere. The adventure is almost over, but quality must be guaranteed. Quality control teams, guardians of the Gherkin, ensure every pickle is perfect. From truck samples to final jars, they test color, size, texture, and taste. In on-site labs, technicians check brine acidity and salt, keeping pickles safe and delicious. Vacuum seals are measured for strength. Nothing is left to chance. Taste tests are routine. Crunch, tang, and flavor must meet the standard. Some factories even use machines to measure crunchiness. Every tool, from high-tech analyzers to human taste buds, is used to guarantee quality. Only the best pickles make it to your plate. Today's pickle industry is about more than taste. It's about responsibility. Sustainability starts in the field, with drip irrigation and crop rotation for healthy soil. Inside factories, water is recycled and energy is conserved with efficient systems and solar panels. The industry supports rural communities, providing stable jobs from farm to factory. Waste is minimized, rejected cucumbers become animal feed, and jars and lids are recycled. Every step is designed to reduce the environmental footprint. Innovation and tradition work together for a better planet. Making pickles means supporting people and protecting resources. The journey is about community as much as crunch. Every jar tells a story of care and stewardship. Delicious pickles made responsibly, that's something to savor. And there you have it, the journey from seed to satisfying crunch. From sunlit fields to high-tech factories, every step is a blend of tradition, science, and hard work. Next time you grab a pickle, remember the farmers, drivers, and workers behind each jar. Think of the secret brine, the quality checks, and the commitment to sustainability. That simple pickle is the result of a massive, coordinated effort. Understanding this journey connects us to our food and the people who make it. So open that jar, add a pickle to your meal, or enjoy it straight. With every bite, you're tasting the end of an amazing adventure. From the field to your fork, it's more than a snack. It's a story. Enjoy the crunch.